This video, we're going to be looking at the maximum function in Microsoft Excel. Just like the opposite of minimum function, maximum function helps you to return the highest value in the value set. So to look at how it is applied, we apply the maximum function to get the maximum quantity ordered. I'll also use the maximum function to get the maximum unit cost for the order list. So we'll do that by starting with equals to max, then open a bracket, then I highlight the value set, which is the quantity value set, and then I close the bracket or I just hit enter. So in this value set, we have the maximum quantity ordered to be 25. So if we check down, then we'll see that that's correct. We have cap ordered quantity of 25. So to do that for the unit cost, we also do equals to max into bracket and then highlight the unit cost, close the bracket, hit enter. So we have a unit cost with the highest value of 200, right? That is correct. We can also apply to the total value, max, highlight this, then we do equals to, so we have 1000 as the maximum total cost. In future video, you will see how to apply maximum function with other function in Microsoft Excel. But in the meantime, this is how to use maximum function in Microsoft Excel.